Hey, what up crew? I've been promising an Eric Emanuel video for so long and I've been waiting for some shorts to show up. I still had one pair that hasn't shown up yet, but I mean, it's just basically lost in the mail. I'm just gonna have to wait for it. United States Postal Service is going through a lot right now. I know I work for them. I try my best to deliver everything that I'm given that day, but I can't handle when stuff is held up in offices in other states or something like that. Here in Montana, you know, we're chill. We're the empty state. We're empty around here, not very many people. And so we're able to get everything delivered pretty well. I mean, today I did work like 11 hours, but still. Anyways, I want to do a little review for y'all on these Eric Emanuel shorts. I just grabbed the 76ers gear from Eric Emanuel. We can check those out. I also got the camo. I guess these are kind of a Nuggets colorway, I would say. I mean, that's what StockX is calling them. A lot of people be asking me, why Eric Emanuel shorts? Why are they so cool? Like, what is the hype around Eric Emanuel shorts? Well, the problem is with a lot of shorts, like let's say these Chinatown Market shorts I just got. See, they're mesh shorts as well, but not even close like Eric Emanuel shorts are. These have so much fabric up here, so thick. These Eric Emanuel shorts, so much thinner. I mean, like even the ones I've made. These are just some fleece shorts, some white ones that I painted up. Oh, do you guys like the new shirt I painted? Anyways, Eric Emanuel, he gets these shorts way thin. This waistband up top, just so comfortable, so thin. You don't have to deal with anything. And then they're just one layer, like a lacrosse short or something like that. Very thin mesh. And his shorts game really didn't even start taking off till about 3 years ago, but it has been solid, especially the last few months. I mean, it was a lot easier earlier in the year for people to cop, but now it is like really difficult because he actually makes these by hand. There's a factory in New York City where Eric Emanuel has all of his crew working overtime, maybe not overtime, on these shorts, just slaving away, but not really slave labor. You guys want to see the label up close? Here's your label for that Eric Emanuel. This is the gray pair, size medium, made in New York, as you see. He always puts his shorts inside of these plastic Ziploc packaging. It's a pretty thick plastic. It's really nice. It's got a good zip up top. It's not going to break really easily like some of those Ziploc bags people send items in. I mean, come on, Marc Jacobs. But anyways, I want to pull this new pair out of here. These ones are so fresh, so clean. I don't know how they really go with this shirt. But look at that subtle purple in there. Oh my goodness. That ain't even my tag. I just kind of went crazy. Here's the tag on the back of the shorts on this camo pair. There it is. You know, got that same yellowish and then orange color. And then my bae, Abby, upstairs, we've been together like 12 years. I don't know, maybe I should just start calling her my wife, but it feels so weird. I mean, 9 years, like, yeah, okay, but our relationship's still on fire, so I call her bae. Here's the fit I actually wanted to try out with these camo shorts, these Knicks colorway. Come on, look at that. Oh my goodness. You gotta like work your socks though a little bit. You can't have them pulled too tight. I can get a little bit uncomfortable. I just like that more relaxed look, that more relaxed sort of fit. And so that's why I also went with a large with this Dime shirt. Anybody asking, the skateboard brand Dime, this is a large. These are size medium. I am 6'1", 140 pounds. I am gonna gain weight. I'm gonna be so swole. I'm gonna be flexing on you guys and flexing with the fits. Oh man, I gotta stop. That is just terrible. But anyways, I do have some double layer mesh, but then they're also fleece. So you've got mesh and then you've got fleece on these. They're a little bit of a warmer short. These ones are a size small, and so they almost really like literally small and medium is so close. I mean, these ones here are also a size small. Picked these up from a chick in Pennsylvania. She was able to hook me up with them. I was like, hey, I gotta get those, and she is totally cool with this. So what am I gonna fit these with? I do want to show you this size small, but first let me get in that 76ers gear. Whew, all right. Oh boy, here's the 76ers shorts. Yeah, 76ers shirt. I don't know what happened. What is this thing? What have you guys heard of Chinatown Market? What is going on with this tee? Oh my goodness, it's like a party in there. Everything is party themed. Dinosaur. Oh. But anyways, these Eric Emanuel size medium, yeah, they fit so nice. They got some good length on them, just above the knee shorts. If you like that, if you don't like it, I'm sorry. What is with these shoes? What are these, race cars? These shoes are trying to be race cars right now. This is crazy. Are they a shoe? Are they a car? Am I supposed to be running really fast? Okay, here we go. We get some small sizes for you guys to check out. This is the smallest he goes, so if you're like a 22 waist, sorry, you can't wear Eric Emanuel. But if your waist is big enough up to like, 25, 26 inch waist, you'll be good to go. I'm sticking at a 29 waist. I was a 30, but after walking a ton with the United States Postal Service, I've lost a ton of weight. It's not good, but enough about me. Let's get into these pink size small Eric Emanuel shorts. What do you think? Do they go well with this size large Stussy shirt? And then we got our Pharrells right now. Really the only pink shoes or shoes with pink on them that I have right now. I don't know what's going on with my pink shoe game. I mean, could wear. Look at that, taking charge. What do you think works with the Travis ones? I'm not sure. I mean, come on, the pinks are a bit different. And I've like majorly creased these things up. Look at that, so creased. Already, I got some, well actually this one doesn't have any stains. This one, just got some stains on there. Just wearing them out. Oh wow, on this side actually that's where it is. I need to maybe clean that a little bit, but it's so still smooth, like really smooth and nice. I try and keep those clean, wash them whenever I get the chance, but I think I will go with these Pharrells. Yeah, so size small still fits really comfortable, and then if you need a bigger size, I don't really go that big in sizes, honestly, so sorry about that. If you're real swole or not so swole, then it may be a little bit more difficult for you to find some hype streetwear in general. But hey, us skater kids, we got a certain look about us because we just spent a ton of our teen years and childhood skating around the city. And I mean, literally, that's what I did. Basically, from when I was 12 on, I was just skateboarding, and that's what I was doing. And I did not have cool skateboards, and I had to rock airwalks because we didn't have any money, and I didn't even really know about the hype trends because I was in a very sheltered environment. Which brings me to the last part of this channel. I want to share some positivity with you guys. I went to a Buddhist garden here recently, and I read on this rock a really cool saying. I'm gonna share it with you. Thousands of candles can be lighted from a single candle, and the life of the candle will never be shortened. Happiness will never decrease by being shared. And just think about it, like I'm sharing my happiness with you guys as much as I can, the joys of this different artwork and what it brings me and everything, and these different hype items, so you guys can know what's legit, what's not legit. We can all just be this joyful, happy community, helping each other out. I might be a little crazy and loud, sharing way more of myself than I should, and that does hurt my fan growth, but I want to be real with you guys. I don't want to be some semi-glossy, I don't want to be some shallow person that you just don't know that much about, some artist that you just subconsciously feel like you're connected and exactly the same. No, dude, I'm like different, and I'm not cool, like, come on. But that's where you're wrong, because your personality, your individuality is what makes you special and makes you stand out in the crowd. And I stand out in the crowd. Let me tell you what, maybe not, maybe I just fade right back in. I'm just some white kid, just some skinny white kid. But you just wait, I'm gonna be coming up. Peace, dog.